ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಐ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಗುರೂಜಿ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುದ್ದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಕುರಿತು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗೋದು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ.
Welcome, AI Science Guruji. Welcome to All Exam Champion series of important 1 marks questions. 1. Question. What indicates that a chemical reaction has taken place regarding the state of a substance? Answer. A change in state. 2. Define a skeletal chemical equation. Answer. An equation where the mass is not the same on both sides. 3. Which law states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction? Answer. The law of conservation of mass. 4. What does the symbol AQ represent when written next to a reactant or product? Answer. It indicates the substance is present as a solution in water. 5. Why is it necessary to balance a skeletal chemical equation? Answer. To satisfy the law of conservation of mass, number of atoms must remain the same. 6. Name the product formed when magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen. Answer. Magnesium oxide. 7. What is the physical state of water used in the reaction 3FeS plus 4H2O(G) equals Fe3O4S plus 4H2G? Answer. Steam or gas. 8. Define a combination reaction. Answer. A reaction where a single product is formed from 2 or more reactants. 9. Write the chemical formula for quicklime. Answer. CaO. 10. What is the common name for calcium hydroxide? Answer. Slaked lime. 11. Which substance is used for whitewashing walls? Answer. A solution of slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. 12. Why does a wall gain a shiny finish 2 to 3 days after whitewashing? Answer. Due to the slow formation of calcium carbonate by reacting with CO2 in the air. 13. Give the chemical formula for marble. Answer. CaCO3. 14. Define an exothermic chemical reaction. Answer. A reaction where heat is released along with products. 15. Why is respiration considered an exothermic process? Answer. Because energy is released when glucose combines with oxygen in our cells. 16. Into what simpler substance do carbohydrates break down during digestion? Answer. Glucose. 17. What is a decomposition reaction? Answer. A reaction where a single reactant breaks down to give simpler products. 18. Name the brown gas evolved when lead nitrate is heated. Answer. Nitrogen dioxide, NO2. 19. What is the chemical formula for ferric oxide? Answer. Fe2O3. 20. Define thermal decomposition. Answer. A decomposition reaction carried out by heating. 21. What is the main use of quicklime, CaO, in industry? Answer. The manufacture of cement. 22. Which form of energy is used to decompose water into hydrogen and oxygen? Answer. Electrical energy, electrolysis. 23. What change is observed in the color of silver chloride when kept in sunlight? Answer. It turns gray. 24. Name 2 silver salts used in black and white photography. Answer. Silver chloride and silver bromide. 25. Define an endothermic reaction. Answer. A reaction where energy is absorbed. 26. What happens in a displacement reaction? Answer. A more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. 27. Why does an iron nail become brownish when kept in a copper sulfate solution? Answer. Due to the formation of iron sulfate and the displacement of copper. 28. Between zinc and copper, which metal is more reactive? Answer. Zinc. 29. Define a double displacement reaction. Answer: a reaction where there is an exchange of ions between reactants. 30. What is a precipitate? Answer: an insoluble substance formed during a liquid phase reaction. 31. Give an example of a precipitation reaction. Answer: reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride. 32. Define oxidation in terms of oxygen. Answer: the gain of oxygen during a reaction. 33. Define reduction in terms of oxygen. Answer: the loss of oxygen during a reaction. 34. What are redox reactions? Answer: reactions where one reactant gets oxidized while the other gets reduced. In the reaction ZNO plus C equals Zn plus CO, which substance is oxidized? Answer: carbon, C. 35. Define corrosion. Answer: the process where a metal is attacked by substances around it such as moisture or acids. 36. What is the color of the coating formed on silver due to corrosion? Answer: black. 37. What is rancidity? Answer: the oxidation of fats and oils in food, changing their smell and taste. 38. Why are antioxidants added to foods containing fats and oils? Answer: to prevent oxidation. 39. Which gas is used to flush bags of chips to prevent rancidity? Answer: nitrogen.